Okay, we are doing day 4 and 5 together since we don't have school tomorrow. So we are finishing up what changes can be seen in nature. So now that we've read aloud the song of the cicada, so the cicada um, is a bug, is an insect, as we've been using that term. We heard a couple different words. So fragile means breakable. So it's really delicate. So like glass is breakable and really fragile. We've also got emerge, that means to come up. So we heard sprout, so sprouts emerge from the ground, so they are starting to be seen. And the final one is vessel. So vessel really means a container, and so they talk a lot about boats as being a vessel because it contains people and things like that, but really a vessel can be anything that holds something. So a spoon can be a vessel, or a cup can be a vessel, as long as it is holding something. So you are going to go into your pages and you are going to draw a picture for fragile, emerge, and vessel. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to spot and dot the words. So spot and dot the the vowels. So when I look at bigger, I see an I and an E, so I'm going to dot them. And they have that G, but if I do if I clap it out, big-er, so it would be after the two G's, and would be on its own. So I'd put a slash between the G and the E. And so do that for all of them. Clap it out, put it on your put your hand under your chin, and you're going to do those. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to get onto Seesaw, and each of you will need to do this separately, and you're going to read words on Seesaw. So this is a great time that you guys can do, some of you can spot and dot the words while the other ones read, and vice versa. Pause and do all of that. And when you get back, we're going to read the new article. So you're back now, and so this is the how-to article, and this is my computer, and so as you see, there really isn't many words to this. This is more a diagram that is showing us the different parts of a computer, and so it has labels for all of it. So you are going to go into your book, and you are going to do the fanciful flowers. So you will label all of them. So it's got use the words to label the picture, then use the shape code to complete the sentence below. So what you'll do is when you see that, like when you see a circle, or the oval, you'll put an N, and when you see a circle, you put a T. But you'll also label it. So this goes a lot with what we did yesterday. So when you find the rain, you'll put the word, or when you find roots, you'll put the word on the line that works with it. Pause so you can finish that. Now that we've come back, we are going to be doing more verbs. Am, is, are, was, were. We did this on day 1. And so we're going to read all of the sentences and decide which one sounds the best. So when I look at it, number 1 says, the caterpillar is in the tree, the caterpillar am in the tree, or the caterpillar are in the tree. Well, I know caterpillar is singular because it doesn't have an S at the end of it. It doesn't say caterpillars, so it's singular, and so that's going to be either is or am, but when I hear it, the caterpillar is in the tree is going to work best, so I would color that in. So read each of the groups of sentences and decide which one sounds best and is correct when you're using am, is, are, was, were. And if you need help, go back to that page from day 1 that goes through, I think it's day 1. Yes, day 1. That goes through when you would use am, and when you would use is, and when you would use are and was and were to complete that. pause and then and finish that and then come back. So we're now at kind of what we would do on day 5. So it says, now that we have read about nature this week, what changes happen in nature? So we're looking at this picture and we see the different seasons, or that trees lose their leaves, or that we make paths, or that, you know, the fish grow. And so I want you to just write, I want you to fill it up. So you've got 6 lines. You should be able to do this. Remember, capital letters, periods. Don't write as big as you possibly can just to get through this. Make sure you're doing your nicest, neatest writing. And pause so you can complete this. Okay, next, that you're back, we're going to find rhyming words. So you rhyme with each of the words. So green, you could do mean, you could do lean. So find a word that has the same sounding ending as each of them. So green, true, slip, lake, pack, and look. And you'll find one word that rhymes with it. Pause and finish that. And now we are going to finish the spelling test, or take the spelling test. So get ready. I will find the words right now. Okay, let me erase this so you know which ones I'm on at the time. So number 1 is her. She put on her jacket. Her. Number 2, first. You're in first grade. First. 3, bird. The bird will sip the water. Bird. Remember, pause at any time if you need to, and you're working by yourself, but if your group member needs a little help or wants to hear it again, don't go ahead of them. Let them listen to it and wait for them. Number 4, girl. That girl can run fast. Girl. Number 5, burn. Burn the trash in a safe place. Burn. 6, were. We were sitting with our friends. Were. Number 7. 7, shirt. His shirt got wet in the sink. Shirt. 8, fur. The kitten has gray fur. Fur. Number 9, hurt. Be careful not to hurt the cat. Hurt. Number 10, sir. Sir, can I go now? Sir. 11, visit. Bert came for a visit. Bert. Visit. Visit is the word. And number 12, done. Have you done your homework? Done. Okay, when you finish this, you're going to get on, and each person is going to have to read some sentences on Seesaw, and then you may come in and start working on your stations. So thank you guys again for all your hard work, and we will continue with a new week to our final week for the unit on Monday. Thank you.